Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of percentage change and reverse percentages. The book is New Syllabus Mathematics D1, chapter number 8, exercise 8B. The objective of today's class is to give the understanding of Practice Now 10, so that my students can understand this problem and apply the concept on question 10 to 15 of exercise 8B. All efforts are to facilitate the students and in order to bridge the gap of the syllabus due to the crucial period of COVID-19. In this class, students, I will not just be discussing that how to solve this question and these type of problems, and what are the important things that you have to focus while solving the question, and what is the meaning of reverse percentage. But I will also be focusing on how to perform calculations without calculator, because calculations without calculator is also one of the problem of some of the students. So please watch the lesson carefully and don't miss any part of the lesson, because if you will be missing any part of the lesson, you will be finding your exercise question really difficult. So let's move to the solution of the question, and first read the question and always read, understand and underline important terms of the question. Question 10 says, every year the value of the car depreciates by 15%. Depreciates by 15% of its value in the previous year. Okay, if the value of the car was $86,700 in 2012, find its value in 2010. Okay, there are some points that we need to understand before going to the solution. That what is the meaning of the term appreciates and depreciates? Okay, appreciates and depreciates. Appreciates means increase and depreciates means decrease. Okay, so I hope you are clear about these two terms. And now the problem is that every year the value of car is decreasing by 15%. Okay, and then the information is given that in 2012 the value of car is $86,700, and we have to find the value of that car in 2010. Now, in order to give the understanding of this question, as such type of situations are little difficult to understand for a young student, so I can make the use of CPA, concrete, pictorial and abstract. Okay, I will be reading the question and I will try to make some diagram for that. It's really good to make some representations or CPA model or CRA, concrete, representational and abstract model, so that we can understand the question easily. If we read the question, we can see that the value of the car is given. We can make the timeline in this way. Value of the car is given in which year? 2012. 2012, and this is $86,700. $86,700. Okay, now what we have to do, students, why this topic is called reverse percentages. Okay, try to understand that information is given in the year 2012 and we have to find the value or the cost of this car in 2010. We have to go in the back year. And now in between 2012 and 2010 we have the year 2011. And as the question says that every year the value of the car is decreasing by 15%, recall my previous lesson that increase of 15% means that if originally you were getting $100 or 100 rupees for some services, now you will be getting 115, and decrease means that you will be getting 100 minus 15. Okay, that is 85% for that job. Okay, I hope you are clear. about the decrease of 15%. Now the problem is that this 15% decrease is of what year? Okay, the 2012's value is 15% decrease. 15% decrease of which year? Okay, that is 2011's. So first of all, what we have to do is that we have to find, and 100 minus 15 is 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8. So 85% of the value, 85% of the value in 2011 is $86,700. Let me confirm the data. $86,700. Now we'll apply unitary method. 1% of the value in 2011 is 86,700 divided by 85, and now we have to find the value in 2011. That will be 100%. So 86,700 upon 85 multiplied by 100. Again, the focus is on the calculations without calculator. If I'm reading the table of 5 how many times? 5 17 times, and 5 20 times. And then what we have to do is that we can see 17 5s are 85, 17 1s are, tables have to be really good, 17 5s are 85, 17 1s are and 0s are, and we are left with 5,100 multiplied by 20. Now again, what we can do is, this one is not of 120, this one is coming at this place for the cancellation of 17. Okay, so that my students should not mix this. Okay, now what we have to do, that we have to multiply 5,100 by 20. So what I will be doing, for some time I will be skipping zeros in my mind. I will be leaving zeros, and I will multiply 51 by 2 to 102, and how many zeros? 1 2 3 102,000. So this is the value of car in 2011. Value of car in which year? 2011. 102,000, 102,000. Now the problem is that we have to go to 2010. 2010. Now this 2011's value is 15% decrease of what value? Of 2010's value. If it is 15% decrease, so it means it's of 100 minus 15%, or 85%. So now 85% of value, 85% of value in 2010. In previous year, back year, that is 102,000, and 1% value 2010 will be 102,000 divided by 85, and value in 2010, 100% of value 2010 will be equal to 102,000 multiplied by 85 multiplied by 100. Now I have to focus on the calculations, but the calculations have to be mentally. I'm not going to use any calculator to teach my students, that although the calculations are big, but if we have the good command on the tables, we can perform the calculation easily. 517 times, 517 times, and 520 times. And now table of 17, because 17 is the odd number. 17, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, chances of 6, 7 6 are 42, 2 6 1s are 6, and 4 102. So it means 17 one times, and 17 6 times is 102, and I'm left with 3 zeros. 6,000 multiplied by 20. Again, what we will be doing, students, will be multiplying 6 by 2. This is will become 12. Okay, and 1 2 and 3 zeros, 120,000. So the value of car in 2010. So the value of car in 2010 is equal to $120,000. So students, I hope you are really clear now that how we are using the concept of reverse percentages, how we are applying CPA or CRA model to understand such type of abstract problems. Please watch this lesson properly and try to apply the lesson on your exercise questions so that you can solve your problems easily. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.